Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke tata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị na anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọbskraịbụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na infọmeshọn anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-ese ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
There's a mistake. Try contacting the owner of the farm if you think.
So this is what you are going to do when Biafra finally come. You'll be in your home, you'll be calling everybody. When a single thing that you should just sit in your home and do, you'll be calling the office. Nobody will pick your call.
No, actually, no, sorry, my PM. Actually, I did vote, but the only thing that while I was voting, I didn't switch the account.
The thing, where are they with you here? Nah, here. Everybody they do it. Now your own no come go. You want to begin to call the office.
No, I do, Prime Minister. I do my own. I did, but I got confused because he didn't see my name. I did, and he
so what did you call your email address again?
Yeah, my Gmail is rfm bridge1 @gmail.com.
Oh my God! So who is using terror?
Yeah, that's the email that appeared automatic terror. So I keep it automatic. So I thought it's your email.
I just call my attention. So you use another email and you are telling me another email.
No. I don't know who owns that email. I thought it was yours, actually, because it
was me that owned what?
The email that terror thing, because it came automatic with.
So is that not your email address?
No, that's not my email. I don't know who fixed it there. I saw it automatic, so I thought it was you. So I didn't switch it. That's strange.
Yeah, strange.
I get confused. Yeah.
Maybe use it
because I saw that
email is there. I don't know.
I saw that email terror something. I thought it was yours because when I clicked the link, it came automatic.
Are you sure your phone is not hacked?
I'm confirm my own. My phone, I have my two pin protection.
Okay, authentication. Okay.
Authentication. Yes, it's not hard. So I don't know where that came from.
PM.
Yeah, I want to confirm my own. Let me confirm my own. My name is Mike Oba.
I think only one person is missing.
That should be me.
Madam and
only one person.
Carolina has not done her voting. I think so.
Okay, my PM, can you block that?
Okay, we have 40 votes now.
Okay, there's only one person, Madam.
Only one person missing, Madam Erewa, probably.
Yeah, then we are.
voted.
Okay, my PM, can the other email that came automatic, the terror something be my
Do you know his email address?
That's your son. It's your son, man.
No, that's not his email.
Do you know his email?
Let me call him a moment.
Yes, it's confirmed from him. It could be that he has two emails.
Yeah, your son's email. Now, since you are using your
But after you call,
my microphone is very low. Permission to leave and come back again.
Everybody stay muted, please.
My
PM, please resend it to my Gmail, jelebaba1
Not Gmail, not Gmail. I have forwarded it to your Telegram. You can forward it to your email.
Yeah.
Oh, to my Telegram.
You know
or you
how
can
to
vote
send,
directly from Telegram.
you know how to send things very well. I don't know why this one is difficult.
No, my Gmail is loaded. I know.
Use another system to fill it.
But on Telegram, you don't need. You just you can use it directly and vote. Click it and then you can vote.
I'm twice supposed to. Oh, sorry.
So we are 40. We have one person left, which is Madam Erewa. All right. Cabinet
Please,
members.
I need link. I need link to vote, please.
You can't vote. You came late.
Oh dear.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. We have 40. Amara Merewa is missing in the vote. Hopefully she found her way to vote again. Thank you very much, cabinet members. We have today replaced Biafra Decree number 3 to establishment of the Biafra, of the Bank of Biafra, establishment of Bank of Biafra Act number 2.
2024.
And Uche, this is not the right way. It is not Decree Act, please. It is not Decree Act.
Just decree.
This is not, there is nothing like decree. The replacement of Decree number 3
1969.
of 1967. Sorry.
Is it 67 or 9?
67. The replacement of Decree number 3 of the 1967.
Act number.
And establishment, the act, establishment of the Biafra, of the Bank of Biafra Act number 2 of 2024. Don't have Decree Act. And also, like I said, our next in line is the establishment of Biafra Digital Currency Act number 3/2024, otherwise known as Biafra Coin. My fellow members of the cabinet, fellow Biafrans, we have come to that point of our liberation, that our liberation has taken a different turn. And as we're approaching the end of the tunnel,
I'm not going to go through so much.
can everybody stay mute, please? As we are approaching the end of the tunnel, it is very imperative at this juncture that Nigeria, the Islamic State of Nigeria, is facing a very economic crisis. Their naira is falling, everything is crashing as a result of our activities to exit Nigeria. There is nothing else. The strangulation of the Nigeria economy is working very well as we plan. And every major investment, every major investors, every multinational corporation are folding up. It is not going to stop anytime soon. As that is happening, we are taking advantage of this economic woe that are before Nigeria and start to gradually and systematically activate our own currency and our own banking system, which will be digital. So on this note, I am moving a motion for the establishment of the Biafra Digital Currency Act. Establishment of the Biafra Digital Currency Act number 03 of 2024. And if you are in support of this particular act, please can you raise your hand? First of all, I would say the floor is open for discussion. At the same time, raise your hand, please.
My Prime Minister, I just submitted mine. I want to be sure. I'm sorry. I had to clean out my Gmail. So in order to be able to submit, please, I want to be sure my vote is submitted in the Act 2, please.
Sorry, my PM, I did the same thing. I've corrected mine and I have submitted. Sorry to...
How can you voted twice, and that is not right.
Oh, sorry, I corrected the other one, you know.
But you did not come, what you said is to ask your son question. So do you ask him, and that is not his email address?
It is his email address, but I have to change it to mine.
But that is wrong, because it means you voted twice, and we had 41 votes. Now you voted twice. That is very wrong.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Honestly, I'm sincerely apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry about it.
Is there a reason why your son choose? Is there a reason why your son choose to have that kind of email, Terror Andy or Terror Andy?
It's you know, use of these days. It's just a nickname he calls himself.
Because when I saw that email, I didn't know it would come from anything like close to
no. It's my second son.
My PM, please, I'm waiting for my answer. Please, I beg
What is your email? What is your email?
Jele Baba 1.
I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it.
Okay, thank you. All right.
All right. We are moving, like I said, to the establishment of Biafra Digital Currency Act 03/2024, otherwise known as Biafra Coin, and hereby put it to vote. If you are supporting the motion to establish Biafra Coin digital currency, your hand should go up. Oh, please, sorry. Yeah, that, okay. No, sorry, I think we should have please, everybody can take your hand down, please. Let us go in chronological order, please. Everybody take your hands down. All right. Dear Cabinet, as we
some hands are still up. Everybody take your hands down. So your hands are still up.
As I move on to the next stage, I hereby move a motion for the Biafra Republic government in exile and in conjunction with the Biafra de facto government in the homeland. I move the motion for the establishment of the Biafra Federal Reserve Act 03, Biafra Federal Reserve Act 03 of 2024. The floor is open for discussion. And before we go for discussion, I want to give a little background of this Biafra Federal Reserve. This particular act will give the Biafra government to use Federal Reserve instead of Central Bank. So we will have a similar system like the United States, where you will have many governors as board and chairman, and decision making of the Biafra banks or Biafra Bank will be more of, will be loosened up in a way that we will not be caught in the cobweb of corruption, like we have seen in Nigeria today, where one idiot will be there and packing money, and do whatever he wants. So in this particular system, there's going to be different people that will be heading the Federal Reserve of Biafra. At the same time, of course, they can elect a chairman or the head of the Federal Reserve, just like in the United States. So the system, especially now that we are living from a corrupt system, a very highly and deeply corrupt system, where the mind of corruption still run in many Biafrans today, we need to have a very robust system that will also help in making sure that the finance and the economy of Biafra is in the hand of many brains, not just in the hand of one central governor like they see in the zoo today. So that's why we are going to have Federal Reserve instead of separate central bank. And the system is going to be similar like that of the United States. So the establishment of the Federal Reserve, Biafra Federal Reserve, I hereby move this motion. So if you support this motion, the floor is open. If you don't support this motion, the floor is open for discussion. And establishment, let me repeat it again, establishment of the Biafra Federal Reserve Act 03/2024. The floor is open. And if not, please, I want to see your hands up for those who want to vote for the establishment of the Biafra Federal Reserve Act 03/2024. Hands up.
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Is the digital currency, digital currency was number 3. Now Federal Reserve, you're saying is number 3.
Oh, sorry, number 2. Yeah, thank you very much. Please. Sorry. That number 2. I've got yeah, the bank is number 2. Sorry. This is not, this is number 3 now.
Yes.
No. The digital coin. No, the bank is number 2. Yes. Digital currency number 3.
And
Federal Reserve.
I withdraw that, and I withdraw it and went back. So we have not voted on digital currency yet.
Oh, okay.
So we are still in number 3.
Okay. So should I leave my hand raised up?
Yes. Voting for the establishment of Biafra Federal Reserve instead of Biafra Central Bank.
Okay.
Instead of the central bank system.
Okay. My hand is up. I voted.
My PM, please, I'd like to ask a question if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Please. I know you kind of gave a little bit of background on this Biafra Federal Reserve is good. But what are the criteria for election to appoint? What are the positions? What are the criteria?
I am not here to discuss criteria. I'm here so we can make establishment of this institutions. I'm not here to appoint anybody. I don't know why you are bringing such question here at this point.
No, I just want to, kind of have a little bit of understanding here. Okay, I
wait for the time. You wait for the time. Wait for the time for that, and you can ask your question. And anybody that is qualified to be in these particular institutions, you are ready to submit your resume to the COS.
Okay, so basically there will be submission and then review and all that.
Yes, but Madam Arewa, can we focus on this establishment of this act, please?
All right. Okay, I'll raise up my hand.
All right. So we are going to have a similar link forwarded to this particular chat. And I will be expecting, after counting the number of votes, I will be expecting to have that exact number of the vote in the link that we are going to send in a few minutes' time. So we have Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, the COS, unmute yourself. You have the floor.
Yes, I vote in favor of this act here.
You? Establishment. All right, you can put your hand down.
All right.
Henry Azuike, unmute yourself.
Yes, my Prime Minister, I support the act to establish Biafra Federal Reserve. Thank you.
Thank you. Olobona, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
My Honorable PM, I vote in full support of the establishment of the Biafra Federal Reserve.
Thank you. Reverend Ebenezer, unmute yourself.
I'm also in full support of that. Thank you, my Prime Minister.
Thank you. So, Olewane, unmute yourself. Olewune, unmute yourself. Olewune has disappeared. Praise, unmute yourself.
Sorry, I'm just in the clinical area. Yeah, I totally support a Federal Reserve. We don't need any looters. Thank you.
Thank you. Praise, go ahead.
I will support the act, PM. Thank you.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I don't know who.
I fully support the establishment of the Biafra Federal Reserve Act 03/2024.
Thank you very much. Dr. Nana. Dr. Nana, unmute yourself. Dr. Nana, unmute yourself.
So my network is having finish. It's yes for me, my Prime Minister. I'm of Biafra.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clearly. You can put your hand down. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I'm in full support of the establishment, sir.
Thank you. Who is next?
The garbage would, I mean, that would be the
Dr. Dorothy.
Yeah, okay. All right.
With pleasure, my Prime Minister. I humbly support the establishment. Thank you.
Thank you. Bright.
And by Darun Linenu, Yabukwa Igbo Media. I see when I would take on Nupozia do Kemba. The guy si Kununkwa, and the guy si Nabambo, I would ike in a new update. Buye Bastama Kifene Mena and Igbo Bay and the Modo Winkanazo. Or Yabunkwa, I could and I can name is here. I was at the Kibiabo. You watch ya kita in Nina Kobia from Prime Minister. Go against Oku, no dinkegi. Nanchukota Morgan. Kali will detail in here. Mako Kia Ganes in a messy. What a bear equaten and boyano. What a by Slynol. But a Babylon's net president. A Babylon vice president. Nothing. And the new Muyindi na Megasquano, Umuna is so good about Famba. Mako Kiva, they make it as Adrozi Asimo getting a messy or the Carlo. Aracho the email. Negodin Kobodo City. Key marriage did one night walk a MAZI NNAMDI KANU'S. Akomakandi Igbo. Kini kiyo jo mele. Makos na Igbo gade. Makos na egade. Na egade kechi na echi ada agwa. Owuli ozo ejijide ya. Jo ga odwa. Gini ke ejijide MAZI NNAMDI KANU'S. Akomakos na Igbo ya ade. Because to the giwe chitere ife abo Igbo media. Anyị na-asụ n'onu bayi. Ọnụ bayi ka anyị na-asụ. So because ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo. Iwe ewe na gị. Ọnụ bayi ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Kego kwa ni ya na-ekwu before. Une okwu n'iwe. Ka ife onye ndu melu. Ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa n'alụ. Ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa pinie. Aya gbọba ya mgba. Ka emere obedient movement. Akwa wuru okwu MAZI NNAMDI KANU'S kwuru before ejide ya. They will never give you that president, that seat. Akwa doro na ya no Peter Obi winere, mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka asị ya bụ? Mba. Igbo mana na ife. Maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu, oke ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị meeting. Chukwu onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a. Ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Nigeria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a. Jụọ onwe ya. Na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife. Isa ya. Ọ gwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo media. Daalụ n'ụmụnne.